Hello, darkness, my old friend. Come to talk with you again. 'Cause the vision softly is creeping, stole my dreams while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains through the sound of silence. Narrowed streets I walk alone, narrowed streets of cobblestone. Through the halo of the street lamp, rise my collar to the cold damp. My eyes are stabbed by the flash of a neon light. It's lit the night, it touched the sound of silence. In the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more.